Hello friends. In this video I will talk about the Android 10 update of Galaxy A series device. So let's watch.
And friends, before starting the video, subscribe my channel for more tech videos and PUBG Mobile latest hacks.
So friends, Samsung is now rolling out the Android 10 update to another Galaxy A series device. This time after a lot wait, the Galaxy A50 is getting the Android 10 update with One UI 2.0. The update is currently available in India and the homeland of Samsung South Korea. The Galaxy A50 was launched with Android Pie and One UI 1. It was one of the most famous and best-selling Samsung smartphone. Now this device is getting the latest Android version with One UI 2. The update file size is about 1784 MB and comes with the February security patch. After updating to One UI 2, we will got lots of new features like built-in screen recorder, new dark mode and much more. You can download the update through FOTA by going to software update menu in settings. Otherwise, you can also update your phone by flashing the Android 10 firmware. So friends, this is the latest news regarding Galaxy A50. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. Peace out.